spring washer and my bit of dowel that's rounded off. Actually the back of a paintbrush, old paintbrush handle. And then this pop rivet is going to be glued in here on the bottom. And we will, oops, I'll go the other way there. We'll have another searchlight. I changed the searchlights on the top of the boat as well. The other ones were too big. Yeah, I found these, little pegs you put in shelves. And they're metal. And I cut one and made it into a little funnel thing. And it's actually looking better than the funnels I have. So I will replace these again. Just like I replaced the lights with small ones, I think they look better. So I'm just changing things as I go along. When I improve a part and I like it better, I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to keep doing that. So I'll just show you the parts close up and I'll get back to work. So here's the shelf parts. You know, you stick the pegs in and you put the board on top of your shelving. Well, I have these in my box because I bought a whole set once and they were the wrong size, but I thought they might come in handy. But what I've done is cut off the top end, rounded it off, and made a flat head. And this, like this, will become my funnel on my boat instead of the ones I built, I think. It just looked more clean. If I turn it this way around, you'll see what I mean. Hang on, I get it in the camera. There you go. I kind of like that look, so I'm thinking of putting them on the boat instead. So I'm going to make 4 of those and carry on. 4 funnels on the way. Also, I have a box full of parts for the boat that I'm doing. Here's an old life vest, which I have one here somewhere laying around that disappeared, but it'll show up. I'll make another 2 for the other boat. And I got some of the old dinky toy tires that are not really any good anymore, and I most likely hang some of the old grubby ones off it to make it look kind of cool. So I just threw them in there, and I got the old spotlights. I keep my old parts in case they come in handy for another boat. So let's carry on.